Salutations, this is Godot with Yaboe. I'm Yaboe, and today we're going to be talking about the world environment node. Gonna spawn one in, and immediately we get an error. This is because environment is empty, so click on the empty button by environment, and click on new environment. Great, the warning is gone, and we have all of these settings. Now I'm not going to go through each setting, but I will show you how to set up a pretty decent looking sky, and I'll also talk about some adjustments. Go to background, clear color, and change it to sky. Then click on this new sky tab that appeared, click on empty, new sky, click on sky, click on empty, new procedural sky material, click on procedural sky material, and then click on sky. Wow, that was a lot of clicking. Now we can change the color of the sky. Great. Top color, let's change this to a pink. Horizon color, maybe an orange. Ground. We can change the color exactly the same way. Make this a greenish color. Make this a limeish color. And there you go, this already looks so much better than the default settings. Now, the things I also like to change are tone map. I like to change this to ACES. And I also like to play around with the adjustments a bit. You can change the brightness from here, the contrast, and the saturation. There's no one size fits all with these settings, it really depends on your game. Another option that you might have heard of is SDFGI. This is essentially like Unreal's Lumen, but the Godot version. If we enable this, we immediately see something happen with the shading, and now when we bring one cube closer to the other, we see some dynamic shading on it. Great! That's essentially it for the world environment node. Now it's usable, and it'll look like this in your builds. Go ahead and play around with these settings, just be mindful not to turn everything on all at once, unless your target audience has some pretty beefy computers. Alright, that was all for today. Yaboe signing out.